I know where they are. They are up. Guarda qua. Li fissi, Ok, sono arrivato. Ustia. Non mi ricordo mai come fare. Ah sì, super da. Ah, the door is here this time? Ok, nice. We have it. Perfect. Splat, splat. Oh. Adesso che altro tiro il culo. Che palle. Invisibility. Ecco qua. Via. Via. Boh. No, I have it. My armor gun is on the ground. Now I saw. Che cazzo. Boh. Che altro se no non perde qui un'idea. Cioè, intendo il bao. Via. Yeah, give me some time. Ma no. Oh. Gioco di carica. Merda, sono una merda. Massa mostri e go scarica il coso. Ok. Vaffanculo. No, ma perché non mi mette più idrio? Via. Dai che è morto. Ok. He's dead. Just a minute, I go this way. Charge. Invisibility. Ok. Where are you? Yeah. Sorry, but in front of me. Ok. Questo che rompe i coglioni. Muori. Perfetto. Oh, bene. Adesso rimetterlo. A casa. Via, fuori dalle balle. Oh. Mamma mia, intensa questa, Yeah, 2 boss dead. I'm going back to base. If I find it. Where is the base? Oops. Di qua. This way. Yes, fatta. Ok. We did it. Oof. Only one. I killed 2. Stupid game. No, 2. Ok, we can go down. Yay. Il 30 si sta portando a 29. Adesso che mo il giga boss. Yeah, I hope. I want to see it. Super sfida adesso. Kill 1 meteor monster. No, 20 minutes to kill it. Holy shift. Even the eco. Wow. A lot of monster. Invisibility. No, I got hit. Fuori da il coso sti bastardi. I got hit da questo, mi spawna. Where are you? Here. No, vaffanculo. They spawn too fast. Eccoli qua. E ora. Ovviamente con rompicoglioni. Ai. Dai. Ma perché? Stop spawning like crazy. Ma porca dea. He's here. Ok. How? What the? I'm dead. Minchia. No, non ero morto. Non ne ho più un cazzo. I'm dead. Everybody dead. I need to be resurrected. I'm just here with my stuff. Cosa hai da fare? Ah, te che darghe l'occhio. Vabbè, torno indietro. Ma perdo tutto se adesso li occupa. Fast, fast, fast. I go back to base. Is he dead? I'm here. What we need to do? Smash his eye. Stia.
Boys, get ready, get ready.
Okay, let's go away. And now? Ah, phase 2. The arms. Okay. I got hit by the head. No. He got me. No, I'm dead and I lost everything on the... Ma vaffanculo. I lost everything. I'm here, can you resurrect me? Nice. But I lost my items. 3 more strike only? Thanks. Okay. Madonna. Ustia. Ma giusto match pa. Ouch. No. Beh, ma che spade sono qua. Can anyone resurrect me? No, he died. And bye bye items. The resurrect gun is rolling down right here.
Boys, I'm engaging in combat.
Okay. 1 and no, almost. The resurrect weapon is here. I'm right here. Follow my voice. Here.
There's nothing.
The reviver. You don't see the reviver here? Ah, ok. Well, I go back to base then. Mamma che casino, ragazzi. Let's go back. Vabbè, 10 minutes. We can do it. Mamma mia, anche i mostriciattoli qua. Ecco i button. Ecco qua. He died?
Get him.
No, he's dead. Ouch.
No, he's fully dead. He's fully
Yeah, he died.
dead. He did.
Wow. Yes.
Wow. I don't have it now, bro.
Nice. We did it. Well, congratulations, because I did partially nothing. Very good, guys. We finished Monster Reactor.
We finished Ghost Reactor, boys.
No more power? Why not, Matt? And now another Meteor monster. Okay, we did it. Thanks to Melki and to the damage dealer is Dreadnought. I recorded the entire fight. So, grazie a Melki e a Dreadnought che ha tankato il mostro facendo un macello di danni.
Yeah, boys. You did it, boys.
What's your YouTube channel? What's your
A dialect Italian channel, so no one watch me.
tell me? Just tell me what it is.
Zio Tok, videogiocaggini. Excellent team.
We have to kill it again.
Yeah, now, from now on, is always the same level.
Oh no, I'm done then. I'm done.
Yeah, we finished the game. Okay, I can leave now. I had what I wanted.
Don't give me stuff. I'll put it in my head.
Boh, grazie a Melki e a Dreadnought che tanka tutto. Mi ero solo ciapae praticamente, ma non sapevo che cazzo fare. Thanks. GG guys. GG.
Oh yeah, GG's.
Boop dish dish. See you next time.
Again.
See you, boys.
Ciao ciao.